Today I saw a Facebook channel, and honestly, I was shocked. The entire channel was based on just one purple AI character, and somehow it was getting insane views. I'm talking thousands of views on almost every video, and even millions on some of them. And the crazy part? There was no complicated 3D editing or huge production team behind it. It looked like simple AI-generated animation content. The channel name was Hane Mini Studio, and seeing those numbers made me realize something important. This creator understood the perfect content strategy. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what made this channel blow up, what strategy they used, why people are emotionally connecting with the character, and the best part, you can create this type of content completely free. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and use the prompt. I know many people struggle with prompts. They don't know what to write or how to get high-quality AI results. But don't worry, I already solved that for you. I created a ready-to-use professional prompt. All you have to do is copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow. Now here's the exciting part. This prompt generates highly engaging and viral style content just like the videos we saw earlier. Because the truth is simple. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak too. Bad prompts create average content. And average content never goes viral. That's why the right prompt is everything. So, stop guessing, follow the strategy, stay consistent, and start creating your own viral AI videos today. Now let's move to Flow AI and see which tool I used. The reason I personally chose this tool is because it's super powerful and beginner-friendly. You simply log in with your Gmail account, no complicated setup or technical steps. As soon as you log in, you unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features instantly. And the craziest part? Both are completely free to use. Yes, free. No subscription. No hidden charges. You can generate dozens or even hundreds of images without worrying about limits. That's why this tool is perfect for both beginners and advanced creators. Now here comes the real magic. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and the AI will handle everything automatically. Within minutes, your full set of cinematic images will be ready. And honestly, the results look insane. The quality is sharp, detailed, emotional, and professional. The kind of visuals people normally pay for. But here, you're getting it completely free. And it gets even better, you don't need editing skills. You don't need expensive software. You don't even need voiceover experience. AI is doing almost everything for you. This is one of those hidden opportunities most people still don't know about. And that's exactly why I created this channel, to help you stay ahead of the trend. So follow carefully, stay consistent, and start building your own viral AI content today. Now let's move into the Flow AI video generation section. I know many people are thinking Flow AI is not completely free. And yes, technically that's true. But here's what most people don't know. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. Right now, you get around 50 free credits daily, which is enough to create around 5 high-quality AI videos every day. And honestly, that's more than enough for beginners to start growing on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. But wait, here comes the smart strategy. Once your credits finish, simply switch to another Gmail account and claim another 50 credits again. So imagine this. 1 Gmail decks 5 videos daily. 5 Gmail accounts deck 25 videos daily. That's absolutely crazy. And the best part? The video quality looks insanely professional. Now make sure you select this model, VO 3.1 Lite. This model is amazing for cinematic AI videos. It uses very low credits, but the output quality feels premium. Here's exactly what you need to do. Upload your AI image. Paste the same video prompt. Click Generate. And within minutes, Flow AI turns your image into a cinematic animated video. You get smooth cinematic motion, high-quality sound effects, realistic environmental audio, beautiful lighting and animations, emotional background atmosphere. Everything feels professional, even though the workflow is completely AI-based. I personally tested multiple videos myself, and honestly, the results surprised me every single time. This is exactly why so many creators are going viral using AI tools like this. You no longer need expensive editing software, advanced animation skills, a professional production team. Now anyone can create viral cinematic content directly from AI. And remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Even if your first few videos are not perfect,
I was stronger than my fear. I finally believed that.
keep uploading, keep testing prompts, and keep improving. Because one viral video can completely change your channel overnight.
I decided to keep moving forward. Even tiny steps still matter. I decided to keep moving forward. Even tiny steps still matter.
The opportunity right now is huge for creators who start early and stay consistent. So stop overthinking, start creating, start uploading, and start now.
Then something small changed everything. A tiny light reached me first.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting QTech Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so more people can learn how to create viral AI videos for free. See you in the next video.